Hey, what's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, I am going to show you what you can do to fix Supercell ID verification code not received. So, let's have it. So, the first thing that you have to do is tap on settings on your device. And from here, you can scroll down and you can go to accounts and backup. Now, from here, go to manage accounts. And from the list of your accounts in here, make sure that your email address that is registered with Supercell is actually active in here. Now, if you confirm that your email address is active here, the next thing that you can do is actually open up a Supercell game. So say for example here, I am going to open up Brawl Stars. Alright, now from here, you can tap on the three bars on the top right corner. And here, go to Settings. Now from this page, you can tap on Help and Support. And from this one, tap on Account. And from here, tap on Supercell ID. And tap on Help with Verification Code. And here it is going to open up a help center. So from this one, you can tap on this message icon and then tap on leave a message. Okay, now so from here, you can tap on account access and Supercell ID. And if you are using your current email address that is connected with Supercell, you can tap on this account I'm contacting you from. So just follow the prompt and you should be good to go. Alright, so that's it for this video, guys. I hope this is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you on the next one.